Where's something already?
No family, huh?
That's right.
We're gonna take it to work, so.
Yeah.
Hey, you need to let me do the family.
Yeah.
You know what?
What?
I get Melanie on her Mustang. I'll film her. You get over here with your stick. We'll put on there Melanie you take.
It's foggy, you can't even see in here. It's so foggy, you can't even see.
Yeah. You got water lake there.
Nah, a little sap.
Well, he never brought that up here, I don't think.
Yeah.
Are you checking the stack temperature?
No.
You got to check the temperature on the curve now, ain't you?
Huh?
Check the temperature.
I do, yeah. Just check.
Who you feeding to that, David?
I got another pot over there. Yeah. Alright, so it looks like inside here. Throw it in there.
Get up here, Russ.
Alright.
That's no bucket's enough, ain't it?
Yeah, it'll be enough for now.
What do you say? I just work here, I don't own the place. You say what? I just work here, I don't own the place. You don't own the place, huh? Melanie owns it. David don't know nothing. Melanie owns it. David don't own it.
Yeah.
He said jump, David said how high.